Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng mga organizers nitong I was also here last year, so second time. Thank you so much for the honor, and I hope to see you again next year. Oo, ikaw sila live. Okay, I work so hard, sometimes I think hindi na ako abot bukas, pero maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and I hope to do even better. Thank you.
Miss Corina Sanchez, Mr. Soko.
Thank you very much. I'm very proud to take this recognition mula sa top class natin. At siyempre, hindi nagsisinungaling ang ebidensya. Maraming salamat.
Hindi nagsisingalang ang ebidensya.
Maraming salamat po sa dalawang kasama ko dito ngayong gabi at ako po habang may kwento, may Mark Logan! Kanina po sinundo ko si Gus sa bahay niya. So sabi niya, tuloy ka. Tapos may aso po sabi ng aso, aw, 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 aw. Katulog ni Gus sila. Thank you so much po.
Just for a photo picture.
Okay, picture taking group first. Yeah. Okay, solo picture, ladies first. Miss Corina. There you go. Followed by Mr. Soto himself. Mr. Gus Rodriguez. Yes, followed by Mr.